Folks, this is just absolutely crazy. Mother Nature gone wild. Just like the forecaster said, it's starting here in Richmond. It's about 12:30 now on Friday the 5th of February, and I am almost speechless at what's going on here with the snow. Almost at a loss for words. It's crazy. Just crazy. It's about 4 o'clock now, and as most forecasters had predicted, the snow has let up some and changed to rain and sleet with a little snow mixed in. Traffic's still moving, as you can see, on neighborhood streets. It's Saturday morning now, and things are quiet. It rained quite a bit during the night, but right now it's not doing much of anything. Forecasters are calling for the chance of more snow later today. But right now, just a little bit of slush on the driveway. It's about 10:30 now on Saturday morning, and the snow is coming down much harder as forecasters had predicted. I don't know whether this is that crazy sounding snow burst that some people predicted or not, but I know the sheriff and I are going to the basketball game today, and we're going to give it our best shot. And I'm going to get out here and clean up these cars.
It's about 12 o'clock, and getting the Subaru ready to try and make it to the Spider basketball game. We're going to try to be good fans today.
Well, here we are, ready to go to game time. Car's clean, everything's looking good. Go Spiders. Well, we're back from a giant Spider basketball game. What a great decision it was to go see the Spiders whip Temple. The sheriff's going to put up some bird seed now. It must have snowed another 3 inches this afternoon since we left for the game. It's about 10:30 on Sunday morning, getting ready to start doing some serious snow shoveling, and it'll be interesting to see how quickly this comes up, or how difficult it is. As you can see, it's not nearly as deep as the last 2 snows, but it's also a solid sheet of ice at the bottom from the rain on Friday night. I was very wrong about how long it would take to get the snow up. Barely an hour and 20 minutes. I got this driveway and the neighbor's driveway. So I think I'm getting better at this, or either it's getting easier. It was much easier than I expected due to the fact the snow was not deep and it was not frozen against the asphalt. So a real quick job this time. Hope there are no more jobs left this winter.